Hello, and welcome to Silent Driving Lessons. This is the Knowing Your Traffic Signs series. The signing system. There are three basic types of traffic sign: signs that give orders, signs that warn, and signs that give information. Each type has a different shape. A further guide to the function of a sign is its color. All triangular signs are red. Circles give orders. Triangles warn. Rectangles inform. Blue circles generally give a mandatory instruction, such as turn left, or indicate a route available only to particular classes of traffic, e.g. buses and cycles only. Red rings or circles tell you what you must not do, e.g. you must not exceed 30 miles per hour. No vehicles over the height shown may proceed. Blue rectangles are used for information signs except on motorways where blue is used for direction signs. Green rectangles are used for direction signs on primary routes. White rectangles are used for direction signs on non-primary routes, or for plates used in combination with warning and regulatory signs. There are a few exceptions to the shape and color rules, to give certain signs greater prominence. Examples are the stop and give way signs. The words must and must not, when used in the descriptions that follow, refer to legal requirements that have to be obeyed. Warning signs. Other than those for low bridges, railway and tramway level crossings, bus and pedal cycle facilities, traffic calming and road works. Distance to stop line. Distance to give way line. Traffic signals ahead. Traffic signals that operate only at certain times. Crossroads. T-junction. Side road. Staggered junction. The priority through the junction is indicated by the broader line. Traffic merges from the left. Traffic merges onto main carriageway. Roundabout. Bend to right, left if symbol is reversed. Double bend first to the left, right if the symbol is reversed. Junction on a bend, symbols may be reversed. Plate used with roundabout or bend signs. Risk of lorries overturning on bend to the left, right if symbol is reversed. Sharp deviation of route to the left, right if chevrons are reversed. Block paving incorporated into a roundabout to indicate sharp deviation of route. Plate used with warning signs where a reduction in speed is necessary. Road narrows on both sides. Road narrows on right, left if the symbol is reversed. Plates used with road narrows signs. Oncoming vehicles in the middle of road. Single file traffic in each direction. Road wide enough for only one line of vehicles. End of dual carriageway. Two-way traffic. Two-way traffic on route crossing ahead. Near side edge of carriageway or obstruction near that edge, alternative shapes. White markers are used on the offside edge and amber ones on the offside edge of a dual carriageway. Worded warning, ford, may be varied to flood, gate, gates, or no smoking. Try brakes after crossing a ford or before descending a steep hill. Steep hill downwards, 10% is equivalent to 110. Steep hill upwards, 20% is equivalent to 1.5. Sign used with steep hill or try your brakes signs. Plates used with steep hill signs. Opening or swing bridge. Quayside or river bank. End of bridge parapet, abutment wall, tunnel mouth, etc. Water course alongside road. Soft verges for distance shown. Tunnel. Hump bridge. Uneven road. Slippery road. Side winds. Distance to hazard. Distance and direction to hazard. Distance over which hazard extends. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. Gliders likely. Low-flying helicopters or sudden helicopter noise. Risk of falling or fallen rocks. Traffic queues likely ahead. Slow-moving military vehicles likely to be in or crossing the road. Slow-moving vehicles for distance shown. Risk of ice. Ice may be varied to snowdrifts. Warning of signals. Fire may be varied to ambulance. Other danger. The plate indicates the nature of the hazard. Zebra crossing. Pedestrians in road for distance shown. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Disabled pedestrians. Disabled may be varied to blind. Children going to or from school. Alternative plates used with school sign. Lights warning of children likely to be crossing the road on their way to or from school, used with school sign. Pedestrians likely to be crossing a high-speed road where there is no formal crossing point. Horse-drawn vehicles likely to be in the road. Accompanied horses or ponies likely to be in or crossing the road. Wild horses or ponies. Wild animals. Wild fowl. Migratory toad crossing. Sheep. Agricultural vehicles. Area infected by animal disease. Cattle grid with indication of bypass for horse-drawn vehicles and animals. Cattle. Supervised cattle crossing ahead. Supervised cattle crossing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.